Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll take you on an incredible journey to discover how sunflower oil is made in factories, from seed to bottle. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of modern manufacturing processes and learn about every step involved in creating this versatile kitchen staple. Sunflower oil production is a fascinating and intricate process that begins with the cultivation of sunflower seeds. Sunflowers are grown in vast fields where they bask in sunlight to mature and develop seeds rich in oil. Once harvested, the seeds are thoroughly cleaned to remove impurities such as dirt, stones, and plant debris. This cleaning process ensures that only the finest seeds move forward in the production line. The cleaned seeds are then dehulled to separate the outer shell from the kernel, which is the part containing the oil. This step is crucial as the hulls can affect the quality of the oil if left intact. The kernels are subjected to a grinding or rolling process to break them into smaller particles, increasing the surface area for oil extraction. This crushed material is then conditioned using heat and moisture to prepare it for pressing. Conditioning helps in softening the material and improves the efficiency of oil extraction. The prepared seeds are then transferred to a mechanical press or expeller, where they undergo a pressing process to extract crude oil. This mechanical pressing is one of the primary methods used, and it ensures that a significant portion of the oil is separated from the solid seed residue, known as the cake. To maximize oil recovery, the residual cake is sometimes subjected to a secondary extraction process using solvents. In this method, the cake is treated with a solvent, typically hexane, which dissolves the remaining oil. The oil-laden solvent is then subjected to a distillation process where heat separates the solvent from the oil. The solvent is recovered and reused, while the extracted oil is collected for further processing. The solvent extraction method is highly efficient and widely used in large-scale sunflower oil production. The crude oil obtained from both mechanical pressing and solvent extraction undergoes a refining process to enhance its quality and make it suitable for consumption. Refining is a multi-step process that begins with degumming, where impurities such as phospholipids, gums, and proteins are removed by treating the oil with water or acid. This step ensures that the oil is clear and stable. Next comes neutralization, where free fatty acids in the oil are neutralized using an alkaline solution. This process prevents the oil from developing an off flavor and extends its shelf life. Following neutralization, the oil undergoes bleaching to remove color pigments and other impurities that can affect its appearance and quality. Bleaching involves passing the oil through a filter containing adsorbent materials such as activated clay or carbon, which absorb unwanted substances. The oil then proceeds to deodorization, the final refining step. In deodorization, the oil is subjected to high temperatures under vacuum to remove volatile compounds responsible for odors and flavors. This step ensures that the oil is neutral in taste and smell, making it ideal for various culinary applications. Once refined, the sunflower oil is ready for packaging. It is first filtered to ensure it meets quality standards and is free from any remaining particles. The oil is then filled into bottles, cans, or other containers, depending on market requirements. Packaging is often done using automated systems to maintain hygiene and efficiency. The packaged oil is labeled with essential information, such as nutritional values and expiration dates, before being transported to distribution centers and ultimately to consumers. Throughout the production process, stringent quality control measures are implemented to ensure the oil meets health and safety standards. Samples are taken at various stages for testing in laboratories to check for contaminants, ensure proper refining, and verify the oil's nutritional composition. Advanced technologies and machinery are employed to maintain precision and consistency, making sunflower oil production a highly efficient operation. Byproducts generated during the production of sunflower oil also find valuable uses. The dehulled shells are often used as biomass for energy production, while the residual cake left after oil extraction serves as an excellent source of animal feed. These byproducts contribute to the sustainability of the process, ensuring minimal waste and maximum utilization of resources. The journey of sunflower oil, from seed to bottle, is a testament to the innovation and efficiency of modern manufacturing processes. Sunflower oil is not only a staple in kitchens worldwide but also an essential ingredient in various industrial applications, such as cosmetics and biodiesel production. The meticulous steps involved in its production guarantee a high-quality product that caters to diverse consumer needs, making sunflower oil one of the most versatile and widely used vegetable oils in the world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into how everyday products are made. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.